Washington D.C. plane crashed 28 feared dead in collision between passenger jet and military helicopter. A tragic plane crash in Washington D.C. has left 28 people feared dead. On Wednesday night, a passenger jet with 64 people on board collided with a military helicopter during a training exercise. The crash occurred just minutes before landing at Reagan National Airport. Rescue teams have recovered 28 bodies from the river where both aircraft fell. Fire Chief John Donnelly stated that no survivors are expected due to the difficult weather and water conditions. Authorities are investigating the cause of the collision as recovery efforts continue.